We're currently in a trade on S&P. It's very, very close to decision point 2. How powerful is the market? Here we are. 5-6 points later, depending on your point of entry. Depending what chart you trade, adjust your stop outside of break-even. Patience and discipline paid off once again. If you are becoming a gem hunter, you understand the importance of being selective and being conservative in this market, which is spectacular Fibonacci market, which is showing to you time and time again. Fundamentals have no value whatsoever. Apple would crash and burn just like S&P crashing and burning for one simple reason. Apple reached reversal zone just like S&P had done on hourly. Pay attention to the selling pressure. Price is marvelous and flawless. We shorted S&P because it came close to reversal zone. We stayed out of correction. This was S&P yesterday when I warned you. Shorting at reversal zone not an option. 12 points bullish rally, recorded and posted on YouTube, my blog and social media. Sell-off is picking up this steam. Are you clear about the importance of reversal zone? Again. We've done this prior in the trading room early this week. We stayed out of worthless 1-hour correction. This is exact same thing you're witnessing that's happening on Amazon. Reversal zone is reached. Next level on Amazon 500. Get out of position. This is APPl. Reversal zone. Why in the world would you be long APPl? APPl at the end of the minor trend 93. This is Netflix. Why in the world would you be Netflix long? Price comes to reversal zone, you exit. 84 is crucial on Netflix. We can take a look where Netflix is today. 84 is broken, Netflix in free fall until 60. And do not forget where S&P is. 1800 is a magic number. Price been here between reversal zone and 1800 for a year and a half. It will not last forever. What you're witnessing right now that's happening on S&P hourly, and why we took short is exactly same crucial reminder across the board. Does not matter if you trade stocks, does not matter if you're an investor. You would have never been listening to CNBC or anyone screaming in 2011, buy gold. When gold reached reversal zone at 1900, you would be shorting gold, and you recognize what's happening on gold now as gold reached reversal zone to the downside. Do you know the rules? Do you know what to do? Pay attention to our short on S&P. How marvelous is price. Here we are. 9 points later. What is 9 points on S&P? Absolutely essential and crucial to respect. Each and every person here trades different lot size. I work with traders who are complete beginners. I work with traders who manage hedge funds. I work with traders who've been in the market never, not once, such as Gian, who posted testimony on the website. Gian never placed a trade in his life until October last year. But you can witness very, very clearly. Graduates of the course trade options, trade stocks, trade forex. Anything and everything that has price has alpha wave trader method. S&P short baby trade reached reversal zone. Are you surprised price is bouncing? It is exact same thing S&P had done when it came to our very powerful reversal zone on hourly. And that's the magic of the price. This is what I'm monitoring. 1900 next. But I must respect extremely clearly. We're expecting bounces on this chart because reversal zone been reached. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. It never gets old, I promise. No indicator on the planet will tell you where price will reverse. If you will spend 8 years with price, if you are as fascinated by the markets as I am, many thousands of hours later, I find it absolutely perfect puzzle. I study price on weekends when I have nothing better to do with a glass of champagne And I marvel, what a magnificent puzzle this is. Time and time again I show it to you on S&P short term. But if you choose to apply it to your investments, you would know and respect extremely clearly where we are on yearly and monthly charts. And you would respect and remember very, very clearly the warning I've given for years. S&P comes to 2100. Don't lose sleep. Be in cash. Using exact same formula as you see on baby chart on S&P. And here is a reversal zone, and here is a bounce. Clear? There is a very good reason I named this level reversal zone. And that's the power of knowledge, and that's the power of Fibonacci. Another wild ride on S&P and another powerful reminder that this is fantastic market for day trading. In normal market conditions, you will never have 9, 10, 12, 15, 20 points. Yesterday, total number of points was absolutely exorbitant. Which means when market has such a spectacular volatility and you are a knowledgeable trader, you are not sitting and babysitting 1 and 2 point targets. It's becoming routine. 8, 10, 12 points. Because volatility is phenomenal. And for that reason, day trading could not be better. And for that reason, if you knew my method yesterday at the close, and I spoke with few of my dearest friends, how much we enjoyed this bullish rally. This was breathtaking. And this was very, very powerful reminder. Magic happens if you know the rules. And this was very, very powerful reminder why I refused to enter into reversal zone. If you would ever enter into reversal zone, your success rate less than 20%. Clear? And right now price stuck because we're dealing with hourly support. And right now price is stuck because we're dealing with baby reversal zone on this baby chart. Clear? That pure and that simple. Adjust your trail even closer. All key targets had been reached. So here's very powerful reminder. Price respected reversal zone. Trail was placed in perfect place. Reversal zone still respected. Price been struggling here immensely. Will it collapse to 1900? How magnificent is price, and what a powerful reminder. If you apply exact same rules to short-term S&P, you can apply exact same rules to yearly S&P, to yearly Shanghai index that's crushing and burning into oblivion, with 2000 being only end of minor trend. Here is the reversal zone on S&P. Are you clear how perfect these levels are? This is what I'm so proud of. And this is what I continue spending time with, playing out in front of you daily. Does not matter if it's short-term baby chart S&P. Does not matter if it's APPl monthly, if it's S&P yearly. Formula remains the same. Respect and adore reversal zone and never enter into it. And this is picture perfect reminder why this been dream come true. Extreme volatility and extreme power. Short from 1940 area. Long from 1875. Reversal zone is here. You look to take long and only if rules are met. Reversal zone near. You look to short. And you absolutely separate knowledge of correction from reversal. Rules are met. Enjoy the ride. It's pure and simple. Does not matter if it's Shanghai index yearly. Does not matter if it's S&P baby chart. Know the rules, play the rules, and the sky's the limit. And there we go. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. New class starts on Monday. Crucial Fibonacci class tomorrow. I highly encourage you to remember one thing. If you will decide to sign up for private mentoring, pretty please contact me first. If you decide to sign up for group mentoring, you don't have to do anything. You just click and sign up, and you will be in the class the following morning. Tomorrow is extremely important class, 11 a.m. EST. Trading room closed. Pretty please do remember that. Group education 8 weeks. Private mentoring 16 with annual follow-up. Private mentoring, you have access to all the group courses. Private mentoring, you learn other strategies than offered in basic course. Currently, I work with forex traders, option traders. I work with international traders. I work with complete beginner traders, and I work with hedge fund traders. If beginner trader can master this, so can anyone. But the most important thing, always and forever, conquer yourself first, apply patience and discipline, and the skies are the limit. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. Trail still respected. Price stuck at reversal zone. Exact same thing S&P is doing as oil done on monthly last year. Take a look. Identical structure. Oil struggled to break from 51 through 72. And this is what S&P is doing on baby chart. Stuck 1903, struggling to break through 1907. Will it crash and burn to 1900? Pay attention. Price is doing on S&P baby chart exact same thing as oil monthly. Correct? Identical. Shock or not. I tell you this every single time. Formula remains the same. Does not matter if you trade oil monthly or S&P baby chart. Choice is yours. Are you option trader? Or are you day trader? Or are you stock trader? Price is exactly the same. If I remove a label, you would not have a clue if you're looking on 1 minute chart or you're looking on yearly. Identical structure. The only difference is risk management. Coolest thing ever. Confirming life is just a stage. Confirming everything preset in price far in advance. Will S&P do exact same thing as oil had done and crash and burn to 1900? I've been seriously begging for. S&P's twin chart doing exact same thing as oil had done this entire year. S&P is heading to 1900. Please pay attention to 1900. Another almost 14 points. If S&P will hit 1900. How magnificent and cool is this? Twins. S&P baby chart, oil monthly. S&P reminding you the importance of separating correction from reversal. Here we are traders. Another 14 points collapse on S&P. Are you a knowledgeable trader? Are you a Fibonacci trader? Or are you following indicators? Patience and discipline once again reminding you. You play by the rules, the skies are the limit. And for that reason, I live and breathe what I do. For that reason, you must always and forever remember, every single indicator on the planet is delayed. The only factor and the only thing that's not delayed is price and Fibonacci. That's showing you all targets far in advance. On monthly and yearly chart, years in advance. On little baby chart, minutes and hours in advance. We've been in this trade for the last 40 minutes. And here we are, 14 points later. Maybe even 16. Identical structure and twin image as oil monthly. What you're witnessing currently on S&P 1899 is where oil is currently on 30. Twins. I expect to be out at any moment. Expect to be out at any moment. Price reversing traders. Here we are. So ladies and gentlemen, let's document this trade. This trade reached all key targets. It is trade number 12. 4 trading days. 10 trades reached crucial targets. Each and every trade different target. Reversal zone trades had been reached on 7 trades. Each and every trade different stop, different target. What you trade is your choice. Once you learn the method, you can identify if you want to use it towards investments or towards day trading. The only difference is risks and trader psychology.